In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile image in Zangi Messenger app. Keeping your profile photo up to date makes it easy for friends to recognize you, and it only takes a minute. Start by opening the Zangi app on your phone. Give it a second to load to the main screen. Next, head to your profile or account settings. On most devices, the quickest way is to tap your current profile picture, your name, or the profile header at the top of the screen. If you see a profile tab or a small gear icon for settings, you can go in there and open the profile section from that menu as well. You're looking for the page where you can edit your account details. Once you're on your profile page, tap the existing profile photo or the circular avatar. Zangi will present options to update your picture. You'll typically see two choices. Choose a photo from your phone's gallery or photos, or take a new photo using your camera. If you choose gallery or photos, browse to an image you like. Pick something clear, well lit, and centered on your face. Square or nearly square images tend to fit best. If you prefer to snap a fresh picture, select the camera option and frame yourself in good light. Hold the phone steady and avoid busy backgrounds so your face stands out. After you select or take the image, Zangi may offer a crop or resize screen. Use the handles to position your face in the middle of the frame and make sure no important part is cut off. This is the moment to straighten the picture and check that the preview looks sharp. If you don't love it, go back and pick a different photo before saving. When you're happy with the preview, confirm or save. The app will apply your new profile image, and you should see it update on your profile right away. It can take a few moments to refresh for your contacts. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If the camera or photo library option doesn't open, your phone might be blocking permissions for Zangi. Allow access in your device settings. For the best results, use a recent high-resolution picture and avoid adding personal information in the background. That's it. Your new profile photo is set. If you change your mind later, just repeat these same steps to switch the picture again. And remember, the image appears as a small circle in chats, so choose something that stays clear even when reduced.